Over the past year, we've developed a theoretical model that describes the way our brain processes uncertainty and what we need to help our brains frame that uncertainty in a more constructive way. The original model describes a number of triggers that are present on the 21st century work floor. In short, factors like digital transformation, skill shortage, employer branding, sustainability, GDPR, and other aspects of the 21st century work floor have created a work environment that is dominated by constant and continuous change. No 2 years in business are the same anymore. In the past, you would have a job, and that job would not change substantially during your career. Today, it's almost impossible to predict what your job will look like 5 years from now. Nobody knows what they will be doing by the time they retire. Now, this situation leads to unpredictability, which invariably leads to stress because that's just the way our brains work. Our brains thrive on the ability to predict what is going to happen next. And if it cannot predict that anymore, it triggers a physiological stress response. This stress response can be framed as a threat or as a challenge. If it is framed as a threat, it leads to behavioral rigidity, which is detrimental to performance. If it is framed as a challenge, it leads to resilience, which will boost performance under pressure. Now, our hypothesis is that an entrepreneurial mindset, demonstrated by behaviors associated with 7 soft skills, is the main determinant of the ability to frame change, unpredictability, and the subsequent stress response as a challenge. These 7 skills are creativity, critical thinking, flexibility, collaboration, perspective taking, ownership, and innovation.